My opinion, Pakistan has been the biggest collateral damage in this Afghan adventure. It was ill thought out. There was no definite aims. They never tried a proper political solution in Afghanistan. There was bombings and killings. And to blame Pakistan at the end, who is the biggest sufferer of this war? Which country has lost 70,000 people going in to help the Americans in Afghanistan? And when they talk about loss to the economy, it's over $100 billion. I mean, the government has come up with this statistic.
But you'd be okay with some of this U.S. aid being suspended if, in fact, Donald Trump goes down that road? You'd be okay with that?
I would certainly recommend it to our government. I'm in the opposition. I would recommend that we could do without this aid. We are much better off staying out of Afghanistan. This aid has been very costly to us in terms of, as I said, not just the loss to the economy, but the number of Pakistanis killed, wounded, lost limbs in these bomb attacks.